So, an update on my South India tour. I've just come from Pune and now I'm in Goa. If you're wondering what's there behind me, that's my roof of the house. And after, I'm just going to be in Goa now for another day, that's tomorrow, and then I'm leaving for Bangalore. And every weekend, this is what I'm doing. So the last weekend, of course, I was in Goa. Saturday, I did a Earthkeepers meetup, and Sunday, my health workshop. Same thing I did in Pune the previous week. And so those of you who are in Bangalore, this weekend, I will be getting into Bangalore on Friday. On Saturday morning, I'll be at the Bhumi Park Farmers Market. Okay, just going to check it out. But the important event is Saturday evening from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. We are doing an Earthkeepers meet at Whitefield. And yes, those are the very important topics regarding all the problems we are having in health, food, farming, environment. So we are meeting up to discuss those solutions that we have detailed in our video, Making New Earth. If you've not watched that video, please watch it. It's the most important video on the planet to watch right now in terms of solutions. So you will find that on our website, earthkeepersconnect.org. And after this Friday evening meet, where we will work out solutions and basically what can be implemented by our team and other newcomers who come to the meet in Bangalore. So after that, on Sunday, I'm going to be doing my classic workshop that I've been doing for over a decade, reversing chronic illnesses with integrative natural medicine and therapies. So that is reversing high BP, cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, hormonal imbalance, infertility that's going on the rise right now, and of course migraine and back problems, kidney, heart, liver, lungs, all of that. And also important thing is I'm teaching people how to detox from the sickness shots that they have been getting over the last 2 years. Very unfortunate. Every day we are hearing of people dying from that, and several side effects. So if you're in Bangalore and want to connect or any of these places that I'm talking about, and you can't find it on the website, please call me or message me directly in WhatsApp. My number is 9821758877. So after this Friday, Saturday, Sunday in Bangalore, I'm going to be in Coimbatore, and that is on we're going to have a Earthkeepers meetup on 23rd of Jan, and 24th I'm going to do my full day health workshop there. Venue is not yet fixed, so I will let you know later. And after that, I will be attending a retreat in Palakkad. So that's some time to relax, chill out for me. And after that, I will be back with everyone in our team in Pune. And Pune, 3 events. We are doing I'm doing a program on health, a 3-hour program on health in Koregaon Park at Society of Christ Jesus. That's going to happen on Saturday or Sunday. So that's 3rd, 4th of February. And we're also doing an Earthkeepers market in Pune, the first one by Earthkeepers Connect Pune team. It's an organic market. And then on Monday, 5th of February, I will be presenting to the faculty and students. That is just one day after Cancer Awareness, because the university is closed on Sunday, so we're doing it on Monday. It's a talk on health and cancer awareness talk. So that's going to happen at Christchurch University in Lavasa. So really looking forward to that trip. So if you're in Pune, message me and I will give you the details. Okay, then after Pune, I'm most probably going to be back in Bombay, and then I will come to Hyderabad. And after Hyderabad, then my North India tour starts. So wherever you are in India, and if you are really interested in all of our work at Earth Keepers Connect, um, right, on health, food, farming, environment, or you want me to host my health workshop, disease reversal workshop at your venue or at some place in your city, right, get in touch with me. I've given you my number. Okay. So bye for now, and I'll give an update after a week. God bless.